Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito with Essence Easy Guide. Start by gently muddling fresh mint leaves with sugar and lime juice. Add ice and a small measured drop of mint essence to amplify flavor without overpowering. Stir gently, pour in club soda to taste, and garnish with a sprig of mint and a lime wheel for a bright finish everyone will enjoy. Gather ingredients before you begin so the process is smooth and relaxed. Fresh mint, lime, sugar or simple syrup, mint essence, white rum, club soda, and ice. Measure the mint essence carefully because a little goes a long way and can dominate the drink. Keep a jigger or dropper handy, and prepare glasses and garnishes so you can assemble each mojito quickly and consistently for guests or a casual night in. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cocktail videos. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a surprisingly fun read to keep by your bar for clever conversations and smart perspective on spending and saving. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Muddle gently to coax oils from mint without tearing leaves, which keeps the drink clean and aromatic. Add fresh lime juice and the measured spirit, then introduce mint essence in tiny increments while tasting as you go to avoid overflavoring. Finish by filling the glass with ice, topping with chilled club soda, and giving a single gentle stir to combine layers while preserving effervescence for a crisp, refreshing mojito every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.